What's going on, everybody? It's Sam with Ithaca Hats, back again with another one package unboxing today. It's a pretty cool cap I've had on my eBay watch list for, I don't know, maybe a month or two now. And finally decided to pull the trigger on it because I figured why not. So it was like 25 bucks, free shipping. So again, that's never going to be a bad price for a new era cap. So definitely really like this one too. I think it's a quality pickup, kind of in one of the things that I'm kind of going with too, or like one of the things I'm trying to collect a lot of. So let's see. I picked up this Miami Dolphins fitted cap right here. So I like it just because it's got the orange underbrim, which I think is really cool, and I love the teal that Miami does. I think it's really really good looking. And I've been trying to pick up a lot of these sideline caps for NFL teams. Like I have the Bills, I have the Chargers, I have the Panthers, a couple other teams too, I think. Those are just ones that I know off the top of my head. But I do just think that this is a really cool cap. It's clean. I love the Dolphins logo. I think it's really cool. And it's just a nice cap overall. And for like 25 bucks, it's hard to beat it for sure, but I think it looks good, and definitely a cool cap that I'm happy to add to my collection. Like I said, this is an eBay pickup, so that's why I got it relatively cheap, so I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I do have a cap in the mail coming in, another minor league pickup that I'm excited for, so definitely be on the lookout for that. And then, yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, as always, and if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe and drop a like. So thank you. You have a great rest of your day.